This is a left shoulder viewed from the back. The spinal needle comes in and you can see the tear in the labrum as it's separated away from that white socket. We also see a loose piece floating around. We're now going to take one of our elevating instruments to try to mobilize this labrum away from the socket so that we can get it more mobile and be able to advance it up onto the socket. This is all to enhance healing. Now you can see we pull the ligament up now, the labrum attached, and we can advance this to make it more tight and get it back where it used to be. We now have an anchor down in the bone. Attached to it is the white stripe suture and the pale blue suture. And you can see that we're using a little instrument to pass a purple suture through, which helps us pass the other suture back through the labrum. Now both sutures are in and we can start to tie. So we bring our knot tire in and we work these knots down to secure the labrum and ligament back up onto the socket where it belonged. Once we get that tied, we then cut excess suture and we repeat the process. So here we are putting one last one way down below. Our knot is tied and we're going to cut it. And now we can see the completed repair coming from way down at the bottom and moving up to the top of the shoulder, and we can see all the sutures holding the labrum in place.